Yummy.
Hello, today we're going to make egg tarts. And we have everything for the egg tarts ready. And we're about to show you how to make the egg tarts yourself. These are the egg tarts ingredients. This is sugar, this is milk, and that is heavy whipping cream. This is regularly egg. This is the egg tarts shell, and we use this for making the egg tarts. Is the most important part. First of all, we're going to make the egg tarts filling. We're going to use this regular milk and this sugar and mix them in this big bowl. We're going to be pouring this sugar in first. Then milk. Now when you pour the milk, you will have to be careful. Now stir it for about a minute and make sure that you have no leftover or dry sugar. Make sure it is stirred completely throughout. Now we will be mixing this egg. And make sure that if you see that when this egg is typically like this, then it means you're done. After you feel like you're done, you can check it to see if it's whether good or not by doing this. If the egg just comes up with it for a moment and falls back into the bowl, then it means you're ready to do the next step. Now, we are going to pour this egg into the one with the sugar and milk. Make sure you mix it well. That way, when you make your egg tarts, it will be delicious, or else it wouldn't be so good. Now, we're going to put this heavy whipping cream inside the one we just stirred. And just as before, I always have to mix this, mix it smooth or throughout these. Now we're going to do a super important part of doing this. We're going to slowly pour this into a measuring cup to make sure that so that you have a smooth one. The leftovers that aren't really smoothened out will be left over in here, in the thing I'm pouring into. See the ones that's flowing into the bottle or the measuring cup? It's the ones that we need for making this egg tart filling. That way, it will be very smooth. Now we have a smooth, liquidy, milky, and ready to use liquid of egg tart in each filling. Have the oven preheated for 390 Fahrenheit. Now we will have a layer of aluminum foil so that when something in the tart spills, it would be easier for us to clean it. The egg tart inside would stick to the bottom, but with the aluminum foil, we can just throw it away. Now we're going to get the egg tart shell. It's over here, and we're going to put these here on this aluminum foil we just put on. Have a small space across so that if it spills, it doesn't stick to the other. And once you're done doing it, you can slowly pour it, and which you will see next when we're doing the next step. If it's your first time, it's best if you not put anything inside until you try your next. But right now, this is my second time, so I'm going to put a 3 in a few of these egg tarts. So it could be kind of tasty. That way, we can have, it will be like kind of egg tarts with raisins. Now we're going to pour this liquid into these. Make sure you have it about 90% full. That way, when it's so it will not be so bad. And make sure that it just stays about this much. About as much as this, so you can have a bit more to fill in the other egg tarts. Now I'm asking my dad to help me put the egg tarts inside the oven. And you can ask your parent for help to put the egg tarts in too. Now you will just have to wait for 25 minutes. It isn't long. Now when it's done, you can eat. Now, when you see these brown dots on the top each egg tart, it means they are ready to be eaten. This must be yummy. Spoon. It must be yummy. I like to loosen it first before I bite, so it's easier for me to eat. It's yummy, and the outer part filling is really kind of like a cookie, but it's just yummier when it just comes out of the oven. That's how you make egg tarts. See you next time. Bye. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.